4 tablespoons of dried coconut cut into pieces, 2 medium-sized onions chopped fine, garlic, ginger 1 inch, and garlic, this is the cloves. I'm going to dry roast them one by one. Once the coconut is roasted and turns a little brown, we will add the onions and the remaining ingredients. You can see the coconut is turned brown. Now I'm going to add the onions. The ginger, the garlic, and a few green chilies. I'm going to roast this for another 2-3 minutes till the onions get a little brown and soft. So another 1 or 2 minutes, that's enough. So the onions have become brown, they have become translucent. Now I'm going to let this cool and we will grind it. Once the oil is hot, we put the potatoes. Once the potatoes are fried, we will remove them out and keep it aside. So now in this oil, we will add, this is East Indian bottle masala. But if you don't have this, in the description there are the masalas that you can add, which will sort of come to this, because this has more than 36 ingredients, but that will also come up to a certain. So once you add this masala, add a little water so that the masala doesn't get burned and it will also fried properly. Oh wow, I wish I could, or you could just see the aroma, feel the aroma, taste the aroma, smell the aroma, whatever. It's really nice. To this I'm going to add the paste that I had before. I'm going to give it a stir and let it cook till the oil separates again. Oh, this is so good. The aroma is so good, so tempting. It makes me start wanting to have non-veg again. No. It's been 6 to 7 minutes and I'm still stirring. One of my friends told me that if you pick the masala and it drops down without sticking to the spoon, then you will know that your masala is fried well. So the best tasty food comes from frying your masala well. So let's fry it for a little more time till the oil separates. So I've been trying this from so long. Now let me see if it just slips down from leaving the spoon clean. So now I will add the other things. That's the chicken. So here I have 750 grams of chicken. I prefer the bony parts for the curry. So I'm going to mix this well. Add salt to taste. Let the chicken release its moisture. So I'm just going to keep stirring and frying the chicken with the masala so that the masala gets incorporated in the chicken. So I'll do this for 5 to 6 minutes. So you can see the chicken is all coming together with the masala, and I've been frying this for 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add the water that is from the mixie. So it's 1.5 cup water, and I'm going to just stir this, mix it well, pressure cook it for 2 whistles. You can add more water if you want more gravy, but I'll keep this for now on slow fire. Let 2 whistles come. So I close it, lower the heat, let 2 whistles, and then I will open and check it out. So I open the cooker. The chicken is cooked well. You can see it's such a lovely gravy. And I'm going to add the potatoes that we had fried earlier. I'm going to let it simmer for 5 minutes so that the potato absorbs the gravy. And I'm going to garnish it with coriander leaves. And there